Hi, boys and girls. Today's lesson will focus on the use of symbols less than, equal to, or greater than to compare quantities and numbers to 100. So first we have to think about the vocabulary we're going to be using. Do you guys remember these symbols from lessons before? Well, yes. If you remember, this symbol is the greater than symbol. And this symbol is the less than symbol. And the one in the middle is our equal to, or the same. You're going to notice that this greater than symbol has a point at the end and an opening, as well as the less than a point and an opening. When you're looking to compare numbers to see which one is greater and less than, you always think about the space being next to the number that is bigger or greater, and the point being next to the number that is less or smaller. And then our equal sign means that both sides of the symbol are the same, or the value is the same. All right, so let's get started in comparing numbers. 49 and 94. When we're comparing numbers that are two-digit, we want to focus on the first digit, which is the tens place. The first digit in the front, we're going to notice which one of those digits is greater and which one is smaller. If you guys said that this side is larger or greater and this side is smaller or less, you are correct. So that means that 49 is the less one. 94 is the greater than. For us to complete the sentence, we read it just like in our books, from left to right. So 49 is what to 94? Is it greater than? Is 49 less than? Or is 49 equal to 94? You are right. 49 is less than 94. So you can see the point is next to the smaller number. 49 is less than 94. Let's try a second one. 43 and 35. Once again, you're going to look at the first digit, which is the tens. In 43, we have a 4. And in 35, we have a 3. Which one is greater and which one is less? That's right. 43 has a 4, making it greater. So when we think about our sentence from left to right, we're going to say 43 is greater than, less than, or equal to 35. That's right. It is greater than. 43 is greater than 35. Now look at this, boys and girls. Sometimes instead of numbers, we have words. 7 tens, 9 ones, and 79. Now, thinking about the greater than and less than is the same process. We look at our first digit, which is the tens. And in this group of numbers, we have 7 tens. And in this one, we have 7 tens as well. So now 7 and 7 are the same, but we want to double check our ones digit. So we're going to check our ones digit to see which one is greater than or less than. Whoa, boys and girls. Again, this digit is the same. So if 7 tens, 9 ones have the same digit as 79, then that must be an equal statement. So 7 tens and 9 ones is actually equal to 79. You see, boys and girls, I didn't stop at the first digit. I kept going to make sure my statement made sense. Let's try one last one, and this is going to be a challenging one. 52 And then we have 3 tens, 14 ones. Remember, let's look at our first digit. We have a 5 and a 3. By looking at it, we notice that the 5 is greater than the 3. But let me just keep going to our ones. 14 ones. If there's 14 ones, that means I have to take that 10 and move it over here. So if I move that 110, it's going to equal to 4 tens and 4 ones. Let's check the tens again. 5 tens, 4 tens. What is our symbol? You are correct. 52 is greater than 4 tens and 4 ones, which originally was 3 tens and 14 ones. Greater than. All right, boys and girls. So moving forward, when you are comparing numbers that are 2-digit, you want to make sure, again, that you look at our first digit, the tens, to compare the number. And then if you're still stuck, you're going to move on to the second digit, the ones, to make sure you are correct, because we don't want to come across some challenging sets like we just did in the last one. I hope this helped in comparing numbers, and I will see you on the next one.